Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi 13 and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Privacy Protection. Here scroll down, mark Special Permissions, go to Install Unknown Apps, and in this panel you can allow some particular source, for example Android Auto. Just mark Allow from this source. Then read the information. You just have to be aware about all the risks, and if you are, just mark I am aware of all of them listed here, and then click on OK. And now you will be able to install apps from this source, and it's working all the same for any other app of yours. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.